Hello everyone, I'm Super Forex Blondie, and in this video I'm going to talk about break and retest strategy. But before that, if you didn't subscribe for my YouTube channel, please do it. Hit the bell, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. If something is not clear for you, you can ask me in the comments below and I will answer you as soon as possible. So thank you very much. Okay, let's try to make you understand what is a break and what is a test, because those two things are really important. Like I already told you guys in the previous videos, I'm not a risky trader and I want to protect you from some faults as well. So in our case here, we don't want to catch the break, we want to wait for the test, right? Do you see this top here? So you see that the price has broken it here, right? If we take this top like a starting point, you see that after it has been broken, the price goes back and makes a test of this level, right? So here we have a less risky signal for price going up after this big green candle here. Maybe you would ask why after that big candle we can have some entrance and we can buy. And I'm going to answer you in the next videos, because we're going to talk about engulfing candles and when they have a potential and when not. But because this video is about breaks and tests, let's focus on this, okay? So look at the top here, the next top here. This top is not alone. We're gonna make a trend line from here and I'm going to draw it like this. So this blue line shows us this top here, and after that the price hits the same line. After that went all the way back down, and then it went back up to test the same zone or line, right? So once, twice, and here we have this candle that makes the breakout and closes the candle here that is above the zone, right? But the idea is not to enter with the buy order, because this is, more risky. So you can wait for the safer way, and this means to test here the zone, right? After that breakout that you see. So the price makes the move up here, makes a test. First time goes up, makes a test for second time, goes up, makes movement and comes back for the third test, and after that goes up again. So you have to know that this level here is really important. Most of the levels that I show you defined with lines are something like zones, and it's not necessary that the price hits exactly, the line. It can go just near it, like here, as you can see. And the price didn't reach the exact line. It's a few pips away from it. That means that you have to be really careful when the price comes near a zone, even if it doesn't really touch it, If it's after a breakout, you have to be ready to go with a buy or a sell order. In our case here, we are going to buy because we have an upgoing trend, a breakout of previous tops, and the price is heading towards an up movement. So for the risky players among you, you can enter a position at the breakout line like this here. Here the candle closes above this top, and this here too, and from here you can enter a buy position or multiple positions. You have to know that if you enter this signal here, you have to be really focused and to use the right money management. You can't enter with the same lot size here as you enter here, If you go here, for example, with 5% of the money in your account, there you can enter with just 2% of them, because we have only a breakout and no test. The more things we have in our favor, the better. I hope you liked the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel and to hit the like button. If this video was useful for you, you can share it with your friends in social media. Thank you very much, take care and see you soon. Bye!